Halloween greetings once again, my friends. I got another little spooky vintage Halloween prop to share with you. Again, this was animated. I don't think I've done the skull I've done so far for you guys. I've shown you the pirate skull, and his eye drops out. Well, I got another skull to show you guys. This is the Twinkles skull, with moving, flashing eyes and a sinister laugh. So this is from 1995. You can see him peeking at you through his box. The skull with moving, flashing eyes. You can show you guys the sides of the box. Twinkle. Look left, look right. My glowing red eyes light up the night. And this uses 3 AA batteries. And pretty much the same on all sides of the box. The underneath, insert the AA batteries, turn a switch to the on position, clap your hands and make a noise to activate the sound, light, and movement. Turn the switch to off position when not in use. Looks like some more information on the bottom. Let's see if we get show you guys the actual date. Distributed by, in 1995, Paper Magic Group. And you can see the barcode, and it was $16.98 back in the day at the big party back in 1995. So let's get him out of the box and we'll see what he does. Alright, so let's get him out of the box. Again, I've always been this way. No matter what it is, if it's a collectible, even a Halloween decoration, I like to keep the box. I like to keep it in good condition. So let's put that to the side. You can see he's already looking at you guys. And you can see where the speaker is going to be. Push down, and the door drops out. And we'll put in 3 AA batteries. In order to shut the door, you close it, you push up until it clicks. And let's put him to on. You can see his eyes flashing. Is he going to move his eyes? Hey! Well, that's unfortunate, because his eyes are supposed to look left and right. And he says, "I see you. Where are you going?" But for some reason, he's not working. And he's all glued together. In order to get him apart, I'd have to break it. And I don't really want to do that. It's too bad it wasn't screwed. At least I could take it apart. It's not a question of the batteries. The batteries are fine. Maybe the mechanism is just stuck. Or over the years, moisture has gotten in and damaged the circuit board. Because when you put him on, his eyes move back and forth and he speaks. He says, "I see you." But he's locked in this position. Got that nice twinkling eye look as he looks at you. Well, that's too bad. From 1995, I guess over the years, the kids playing with them, dropping them. Over the course of many, many years, he doesn't activate anymore. If I can actually find a video of what he's supposed to do, guys, I'll put that up to show you what he's supposed to do. But it was a loud sound or a clap, hey, and he would be activated. And it was a pretty cool effect with his eyes moving back and forth. Let's bring you down a little closer to him. So you could do like a clap, and he would activate. I'll show you the different sides of him. You see the ramus of the jawbone back through his occipital protrudence, the back of the skull, and his glowing eyes and the eye sockets. So that's too bad that he doesn't work. Again, he's old, 1995. So it's been a long time since he's been in the family. And that's what he does, he twinkles. Even the way he is, in a spooky dark setting, in a Halloween display, he'll look pretty nice. But unfortunately, he's too old and he's damaged, and he doesn't do what he did originally. So I thank you guys for watching this quick little video on the Twinkles skull. He still does twinkle when he's staring at you. He's saying, Happy Halloween, guys. And I'll see you in another video real soon.